Okay, a quick look at 5 things that you can eat in a hedgerow. Number 1, we've got hawthorn. Hawthorn and blackthorn are very similar, but one thing about hawthorn is the leaves come out at the same time as the blossom. Blackthorn doesn't do that, so that's how you identify hawthorn. Now, your ancient agricultural ancestors would have snacked on this during their break times, and they called it bread and cheese. And to make bread and cheese, you get one of the leaves, you get a little bit of the blossom, you wrap that up in a leaf, bread and cheese. Number 2, okay, nettles. Everyone knows you can eat nettles. That's boring. Cook them up like spinach, lovely. Number 3, bistort. This plant here makes dock pudding. Dock pudding is not made out of dock leaves. Dock pudding is made out of bistort leaves. And every family in Yorkshire has got their own recipe. My own father made it with garlic, onion, cream. It was delicious. And bacon. Next, you've got, where is it? Hogweed bulbs. Here we are. Here's some hogweed. Let's find a hogweed bulb. There was one here. It was lovely. But while we're looking for that, let's show you these. Okay. Hang on. Bramble leaves. Absolutely delicious. Really tasty. And we've got some hogweed. And we just need to find a hogweed bulb. And then that will complete the 5. Where is the hogweed bulb? Let's have a look. Dum 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 dum. Hogweed, hogweed. Where's your bulb? We saw one. We saw one seconds ago. Here it is. Just here. Bring the camera in close. So this is hogweed, not giant hogweed, that's a nasty one. This is normal hogweed. And what you get are these beauties here. So you just snap that off, and that, you fry it up, a bit of garlic, whatever you want with it, and it is just like a lovely little bit of spinach and broccoli all mixed into one. So there you go, 5 things in a hedgerow that you can eat.